In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change your phone number on Vinted. If you've recently updated your contact info or need a different number linked to your account, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that like button. It really supports us in making more useful guides for you. First, open the Vinted app and log in if you haven't already. Then, follow these simple steps. Head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings, usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find Account Security or Phone Number. Tap on Phone Number, then enter your new phone number. Vinted will likely send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code when prompted to confirm your new number. Once confirmed, your new phone number will be saved to your account. And that's it. Your phone number is now updated on Vinted, so you can receive any notifications or account updates securely. To quickly recap, we went over how to access settings, change your phone number, and verify the update on Vinted. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear any other tips you might need. And stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.